In this video, I will show you how to cancel Wells Fargo credit card autopay option. So simply open up Wells Fargo in your web browser or Wells Fargo app. For now, let's open Chrome. In the search bar, search for wellsfargo.com. Then this page will open. In the top right corner, you can see menu bar. Right beside it, click on Sign On. Now put in your username and your password and simply click on Sign On. Once you've logged into your account, click on this menu bar in the top right corner again. Here you will find Pay and Transfer option. Click on it. From there you can choose AutoPay. After that, choose the particular credit card where you want to turn off AutoPay. There you can find Cancel or Delete option. Simply click on it. After that, it will take about 3 business days to change your settings. And that's it. If you think this video is helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.